Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to guide you through Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. It's a sequence of 12 yoga poses that serves as a great cardio workout and brings positivity to your mind and body. Practice Surya Namaskar early in the morning on an empty stomach. Each round consists of 2 sets of 12 poses each. Stick to one version and practice it regularly for the best results. This practice is a beautiful way to express gratitude to the sun. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1 is Pranamasana, the prayer pose. Stand at the edge of your mat, feet together, weight balanced. Breathe in, lift your arms up, and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of your chest. Step 2. Hastautanasana or raised arms pose. As you breathe in, lift your arms up and back, stretching your whole body from the heels to the fingertips. Tip. Push your pelvis forward a bit and reach up with your fingers. Step 3. Hastapadasana, the standing forward bend. Exhale and bend forward, keeping your spine erect. Tip. Bend your knees if needed to bring your palms to the floor, then straighten your knees gently. Step 4. Ashwasanchalanasana, the equestrian pose. Breathe in and push your right leg back, right knee to the floor, and look up. Tip, place your left foot between your palms. Step 5, Dandasana, the stick pose. Breathe in, take the left leg back, body in a straight line. Tip, keep your arms perpendicular to the floor. Step 6, Ashtanga Namaskara, salute with 8 parts. Knees down, exhale, hips back slightly, chest and chin to the floor. Tip, ensure 8 parts of your body touch the floor. Step 7, Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Slide forward, raise your chest up, elbows bent, shoulders away from ears. Look up, tip, push your chest forward as you inhale and navel down as you exhale. Step 8, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Exhale, lift your hips and tailbone up into an inverted V. Tip. Try to keep your heels on the ground and lift your tailbone. Step 9, Ashwasanchalanasana, equestrian pose again. Breathe in, bring the right foot forward between the hands, left knee down. Look up, tip, press hips down to deepen the stretch. Step 10, Hastapadasana, standing forward, bend again. Exhale, bring the left foot forward, tip, straighten your knees and touch your nose to the knees. Step 11, Hastautanasana, raised arms pose. Breathe in, roll the spine up, arms up, bend back a little. Tip. Stretch up more than backward. Finally, step 12, Tadasana, the mountain pose. Stand tall and breathe. And there you have it. 1 complete round of Surya Namaskar. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and let the energy of the sun empower your mind and body. Namaste.